Hello children, nice to meet you all. I think you all are watching videos. Okay, now let us come to the next lesson. What is the next lesson? Third unit, glimpses of the past. In this glimpses of the past, what all you had in your social studies, I think Director Sir and Kamishi ma'am have explained you. One day Director Sir also will explain you this lesson once again. The glimpses of the past in English. What are the topics given in English? Sir will explain you. Okay children? So now see here, in that unit only you have another poem, Macavity the Mystery Cat. I am going to explain that poem. Okay, so here in this glimpses of the past, you have the first picture by Lata Mangeshkar. She has written one speech and she's singing one song. Okay, you should know about the nationalists and the freedom fighters, the martyrs of our country and all. So those all will be explained by our narrator sir. Now let us go to the next poem in that unit, Macavity the Mystery Cat. So I think children, you have pets in your houses. They do something. Okay, they go here and there. They do some mysterious things. You feel happy. You discuss with your parents, "Mom, see this cat. It has done like this. Or see our dog has done like this." You tell, isn't it? You enjoy their things. Sometimes you get angry also, isn't it? Don't you get angry? Sometimes they do all mischievous things. Means you get angry. So when you get angry, do you beat it? No, you don't beat her. You just shout at that. It understands or may not. Okay. So here also one story is this there about Macavity. Macavity is one cat. It is the mystery cat. Mystery means hidden. It can't be known. It can't be seen anywhere. Okay, so this mystery cat, it is a fiction. This poem is a fiction. The poet is T.S. Eliot. I'll explain you in the last. So this poem is about Macavity the mystery cat. This cat does all some disturbances, some activities in such a way that all are mentally disturbed. It makes everyone, it brings everyone in a confusion. T.S. Eliot, he likes to write all the fictional poems, which fictional means imaginary. Imaginary, okay? It doesn't happen real. You just imagine. When you read the poem, you imagine, oh, if it is, yeah, the scene comes in your mind. You feel as if it is happening in front of your eyes. So he wrote in such a nice way that it seems to be as it is happening real in front of you. Okay, he wrote about one cat. He expressed all the feelings in the cat, how the cat does, what happens, what she does, how she escapes, everything he has given. So let us read first the poem, Macavity the Mystery Cat. Do you have a pet cat? Have you ever noticed anything mysterious about it? Mysterious means something hidden, secretly what they do, some activities, isn't it? Yeah. When you have a pet cat, have you noticed anything doing secretly? It is not easy to say whether every cat is a mystery, but Macavity is one. Here, all cats are not same. All cats will not behave in one way. One cat, each cat behaves in one way. Okay, so here our cat, Macavity. What is our cat's name? Macavity. This Macavity is a dangerous cat. It behaves in some other way, it seems. What does it do? Let us see. But Macavity is one for sure. What is it that makes him a perfect mystery cat? Read the poem and find out. Why are we saying it is a mystery cat? It does all the activities, but it is not seen, it seems. It is hidden somewhere. Mystery means hidden. It is not seen anywhere. So it is called, Macavity is called a mystery cat. Why is Macavity called a mystery cat? Because it is hidden somewhere. It does the activity and goes away and hides somewhere. Nobody can see it. Okay. So what activities did it do? Why it is hiding? Who is searching for him? Okay. How can we find out? We shall see in this poem. Okay. Macavity is a mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad's despair. For when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. Here, In the first stanza, he is telling about Macavity. Okay, so once again I am reading the poem, children. Macavity is a mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw. Macavity is called a hidden paw. Hidden paw means, you know, the paws of the cats, isn't it? They don't make sound. When cat comes, will it make a sound and come? No. Unless it throws some vessel or utensil, some plates, we can't know that cat is there. So it comes in such a silent way. So Macavity also, this cat comes in a silent and does the activity and go. So Macavity is called given another name. What is that other name given to Macavity? Hidden paw. What is the other name given to Macavity? Hidden paw. Macavity is a mystery cat. Mystery cat means it is unseen. It is not seen anywhere. It is hidden somewhere. For his, here Macavity is represented as male. He. You don't say she. Okay, we say he. For he is the master criminal who can defy the law. He is a master criminal. Criminal means, you know, who does a mistake, who does a wrong. Okay, so according to law, who does wrong is called a criminal. So he is a one big criminal. Who is the criminal here? Macavity. Who can defy the law? Defy the law means who can break the law. Disobey. Defy means disobey. Okay, who can break the law? Next, he is the bafflement of Scotland, the flying squad's despair. He is the bafflement of Scotland. Bafflement means confusion. Bafflement means confusion, shocked, puzzled, confused. So, of Scotland Yard. Scotland Yard means actually the police people. Scotland is the headquarters. Scotland, you have in your textbook also Scotland Yard, the headquarters of the London Police Force. Okay, for police headquarters is Scotland Yard. There, the flying squads despair. Despair means disappointment. See, when the police also come to know some criminal has done something, when they go in that place, in that scene, Macavity is not there. She does something wrong and she goes away. She escapes. When the police go and search, who has done this, who has done like this, nobody is there. Macavity already goes away. So when the police goes also, Macavity is not there. Flying squad. Flying squad means the people. Here you have in your textbooks here a group of police or soldiers ready to move into action quickly. Flying squad means suddenly when anything happen criminal, immediately if you call to flying squad, they immediately on the spot they come very fast. So they are called police. Either they may be police, the flying squad may be the police people or soldiers or army people, whatever may be, they are called as flying squads. Immediately within minutes they arrive there. So when anything happened, this cat Macavity does something wrong. It is a criminal, no? It does something wrong and goes. When the police come there and who has done, when they come to that point, what has been done, they don't find the cat. The cat is escaped. Who is the escaped there? Macavity. Okay, despair means disappointment. Okay, next. For when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. Whenever they reach the crime place, wherever the spot has happened, wherever the incident has happened, when the police reach to that point, Macavity is not there. So it does all the activities secretly and goes away. So it is called hidden paw. What is the other name for Macavity? Hidden paw. Yeah. Next, let us go to the second stanza. Okay. Macavity, there's no one like Macavity. He's broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. And when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air, but I tell you once again, Macavity is not there. This is the second stanza. First, police people come. Macavity does something wrong. When the police approach there, Macavity is not there. We learned this about in the first stanza. In second stanza, what all it is disobeying. What are the activities it is doing? Let us see. Macavity, there's no one like Macavity. He's broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. Here, he's broken every human law. He breaks even every human laws. What are the human laws? What we people do? We should not do that. We should not do this. But Macavity will not listen to anyone. Macavity does its own work. Does its own work. It will not live. Arey, if I do like this, people will suffer. If I do like this, children will suffer. No, it will not think like that anything. It will do its work and go away. It escapes. He's broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. What is the law of gravity you learned in the science? Newton's law of gravity. You know, children? Yes, anything you throw on the air, in the air, just you throw a ball or one apple up, again the apple comes down and fall on the earth. The ball also comes and falls on the earth. That means the earth has a power to attract the object. The earth has a power. Once you throw up any rubber band or anything, any blade or any apple or any ball, once you throw, again where it falls, will it come to you and stand? No, it falls on the earth, isn't it? So that is called law of gravity. The earth has a power of attracting the things. So once you throw up in the air, again it falls down on the earth. But Macavity breaks that one also. How does it break, madam? Means it flies in the air. It will not be on the earth. It flies in the air. It flies in such a way that even the magic people, the magicians, fakir means here the people who do magical powers, and the people who are totally devoted to God, who devote their life to God. They don't marry, they wear some color dress and they be in the temples. They also do some magical powers. Such people are called fakir. Those who do magic, the magicians also got shocked by seeing the Macavity. Macavity does a mistake and it will not be on the earth. It just flies and goes away. It moves in the air and goes away. It broke the law of gravity. It won't go again back onto the earth. It flies in the air. Macavity flies in the air. So it breaks the law of gravity. What is the law of gravity? The object, once you throw up in the air, it comes down again onto the ground. But Macavity is not like that. He does the mistake and it flies in the air and goes away. Earth does not attract Macavity also. So that means Macavity also broke the law of gravity. Nobody can touch Macavity, nobody can see Macavity, nobody can do any harm to Macavity. It comes, does the activity secretly, does the criminal secretly. Next, it flies and goes away. Even the earth also does not have power to attract it, okay, to bring Macavity down, okay, yeah. So he's broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. What is the powers of levitation? Powers of levitation means floating in the air. Levitation, you have in your meaning, floating in the air without support. This Macavity has the power of levitation. It floats in the air without any support. Okay, and would make a fakir stare. Would make a fakir stare means even the fakir also stares, looks at Macavity and shocks. Oh my God, what this cat is doing. Even fakir's magical powers also will not work. You say some babas, na, they only devote on God. They go on be reading the beads. Om. They have some magical powers. So those babas also get shocked. Those babas are called as fakirs. They also get shocked by seeing the Macavity. They have powers to do magical powers. They can do some magical powers, but they are also shocked by seeing Macavity's activity. Okay, next, and when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. When anything crime happened, when you go there, hey, what happened? Who has done like this? Who has done? When you go and search, Macavity is not there. Macavity will come there, secretly do and go away and escapes. When people all will be searching, she will not be there. You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air, but I tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. You may go underground the earth, You may dig the holes and see. You may go in the basement. You may go into the cellars, undergrounds. You search anywhere. McCavity is neither in the underground nor in the air. See, you may seek him in the basement. You may look up in the air. You see in the air also. You will not find McCavity. When you see down in the basement, underground, if you see also, you will not find McCavity. But I tell you once and once again, cavity is not there. Did you understand? It breaks the law of gravity. It breaks the human laws. It makes the fakir to stare. What did you learn from this? From this stanza, you learned 5 points. McCavity breaks the human laws. McCavity disobeys, breaks the law of gravity. Next, it makes the fakir stare. Next, if you search in basement also, she is not there. If you search in air also, she is not there. Okay, we learned 5 things about McCavity. Now, what is the last stanza telling? Next stanza is telling about the physical appearance of McCavity. Okay, madam, you are saying McCavity does like this, McCavity does like this. How will be McCavity? What will she have in her hand? How she is dressed up? How is her appearance? So let us see in the next stanza. The third stanza tells the appearance of McCavity. McCavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. McCavity is a ginger cat, means it is ginger colored, brown color. You see some colors of some cats are in brown color. So that is McCavity is in which color? Ginger color, brown color, golden color like. Okay, next. And he is very tall and thin. McCavity's appearance is very tall and thin also. Next, you would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. When you see you can understand that, oh, this is McCavity. But one thing you can understand, all cats will not be same, isn't it? So McCavity, how can you identify McCavity? His eyes will be sunken in. Sunken means going inside, deep. They will go away inside in the deep. Okay. Next, sunken, sink, sank, sunk. These are the verb forms. Sink, sank, sunk. Okay. His brow is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly domed. His brow means eyebrow. Eyebrow is very thick, deeply lined, and with thought. And he puts his face very like this, in a different way. See the face of the McCavity. His eyebrows. She has lifted her eyebrows up, and this one, and his head is highly domed. Domed means body full is very height, thin. Head is like a dome. Dome means what? Something you put on the head or on the building, top of the building. See here, see this is like a dome. This is like a dome. Body full is thin. And dome means something is kept on the head, something is kept on the building, you find. So that is called dome. Okay, so the head will be seen separately. Body is seen in one way and head is seen in another way. That is called dome. So did you understand the appearance of McCavity? Okay, now let us go. See how is her body color, and what is the color of McCavity? Ginger color. And how are the eyes? Sunken. Sunken means deeply inside. The eyes went away inside. And how his brow is very thick, dark black color. And his head is like a dome. Something is kept on the building, you see now. I'll show you the picture in the last, children. Okay, next, what is the next one? Last, his coat is dusty from neglect. Neglect means she never bothered this. I'm saying she, it's not she, it is he. He never, his coat is very dusty. He never bothered about his physical appearance. He's such a dirty fellow, dirty cat. He just want to disturb everyone. He just want to spoil everything. That's all. He never bothered about his physical appearance. He neglected to clean himself. He never bathed. He never wore fresh clothes. He never wore neat and clean clothes. Okay. So this is called about his appearance. And his whiskers are uncombed. Whiskers means the hair on the face, the hair on the mouth, face, they are called whiskers. They are uncombed means they are in a disorder way. See, some people will have long beards, they comb the beard and they make into a separate size. See, the gents who have long beard or short beard, they trim the beard and make into a proper shape. But this McCavity has a hair on the face, but that everything is very dirty, uncombed. in a dirty appearance. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. You know, snake, how does it snake moves its head? He sways, isn't it? So in the same way, this McCavity also sways means moves his head from side to side like a snake. And when you think he's half asleep, he's always wide awake. You see cats, they just blink their eyes, they close their eyes, again they open, they close their eyes, they open. Actually, they don't sleep. They are quite awake. This McCavity also, it is not sleeping, it is just acting as if it is sleeping, but his eyes are awake. So he acts as if he is sleeping, but he is not sleeping. So you understood, his appearance is, his coat is dusty, his whiskers are uncombed. Whiskers means hair on the face, uncombed. How does he move his head? He sways his head like a snake. His body is ginger colored, and his eyebrows are very dark and thin. His eyes are sunken. Sunken means going inside. Okay, this is the appearance of McCavity. Next, in the last, let us come to the last. McCavity, there's no one like McCavity, for he is a fiend in feline shape, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in a square, but when a crime is discovered, then McCavity is not there. See here, McCavity, what is in the last, what it is saying is, McCavity is a monster, it is a devil. Fiend means devil. The devil has come in the shape of a cat. This is shaitan. Okay, it is a shaitan, it is a devil. A devil has come in the form of a shape of a cat and doing all the nonsense. For he is a fiend, means devil, in feline shape. Feline shape means cats, we called it as feline shape. It is a species of cat. Cats all will be in one shape only. Okay, so it is in a feline shape. A monster of depravity. A monster of depravity means it has come to attract moral corruption. Okay, here he get depravity means moral corruption. What is a moral corruption means? It wants to disturb everything. It doesn't want everything to be bad. Shaitan means what? It does all bad things. It will not allow you to do. Suppose mommy tell to you, sit and read. Amma, no ma, tomorrow I'll read. Or you just keep a book and act as if you are reading. That is called shaitan, which will not allow you to do the good things, which will not allow you to read. So you say, hey, what, you have shaitan or what? You are doing all bad things, we say, isn't it? So depravity means this is a cat, the monster of depravity means it will not allow to do good. It will does all bad. It will disturb everything and makes everything bad. Okay, next. It is a fiend means devil. A feline shape means a shape which cats have. Okay, it is a form of a cat shape, and it is form of a cat shape. Who is a form of a con shape? Monster. This devil has come in the shape of a cat and spoiling everything. Okay, next. You may meet him in a by street. By street means lanes, streets. You know, in your house, you may find somewhere in the street, or you may see him in square. Square means open lands or buildings. In America, buildings are called as squares. Okay, either in the buildings, either in the open lands, either in the streets. You find in three places. What are the three places? Lanes. Lanes means streets, or in the square. Square means open lands or buildings. But when a crime is discovered, then McCavity is not there. When something wrong has happened, when people go and see, hey, what happened to him? Who has done like this? Who has done? When people go to the crime place, to the spot, there McCavity is not there. It will do something bad and moves away. People all will be searching, but when how much people search, how much the police people search, how much the flying squad search, but McCavity will not be appeared. Okay, children, I think you understood this poem. In the next video, I'll show you the pictures and I'll give the conclusion. Okay, children, bye.